In our problem, we will follow the PEMDAS rules. So we must do the parentheses first. After that, the exponents. Then multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. You know that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same for addition and subtraction. Now let's start the solution. In this problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses. By implementing the PEMDAS rules, we must do this parentheses first. After that we do this multiplication. And at last we do this subtraction. So first we do this parentheses. We have 13 minus 12 equals 1. And the problem became 13 minus 12 times 1. And now we must do this multiplication first. 12 times 1, which gives us 12. Now the problem became 13 minus 12, which gives 1. And this was the final answer for our problem.